today I am going to tell you that how can you fix this system error. So, let's get started. First we will close this by clicking OK. Then open your File Explorer. Then click on this PC, then after, click on Local Disk C. Then click on your program file. Then open Adobe folder. Then open above Creative Cloud Experience folder. Then delete that CCXProcess file. Then a dialog box will open, then you have to click on Continue. Or better, you can delete the whole Adobe Creative Cloud Experience folder. Here also a dialog box will appear, and you have to click on Continue. Then close your File Explorer, and after that restart your laptop or computer and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching this video. And please like, share and subscribe.